Hello guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can know your net winnings in Prizepicks. So first of all, you'll have to open your browser and you'll have to search for Prizepicks support in your browser. It will give you a website named Help Center, which would be prizepicks.com. So you'll have to go to this website, and when you go to this website you'll see this would be the window that you will be in. So you'll have to press this live support, and then you'll have to press this chat now button. It will give you this bot here. So you'll have to go to so press on messages here, and then you'll have to press send us a message. So it will connect you to the support team, and you can simply directly ask for your net winnings from the live support that will be connected through you. So this is the only method, and it is the easiest method as well. So that is how you do it. So that was all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.